And happy Thanksgiving. Who made these greens, yo?
Liz.
Who?
Liz.
Who made them?
Liz.
Liz made these. Liz made these ours.
What kind of restaurant is this, bruh?
It's a French restaurant. They got croissants.
What we gonna eat? Ratatouille?
We about to eat rat.
Bonjour. What is that?
He said something about food.
He been eating baguettes. Here's your menus. See, dog, this what I'm talking about. You saying we at a French restaurant. This motherfucker speaking American.
Who gives a shit, bruh?
Hand me that menu. What the fuck are these words?
French.
What kind of language is this?
It's French.
Where's the drinks at?
Bottom left.
Bois. Bars?
I think it's boys. The drinks.
Oh yeah, les bars, that's the drinks.
I know it's the fucking drinks, bitch. I just said that.
Word? Motherfuckers are volatile tonight.
I'm about to flash on this motherfucker.
Just give me some damn water.
On my life, I will smack the shit out of both of y'all. So what you about to order, bruh?
Biscuit chicken.
They don't have chicken biscuits.
You fucking blind, bro. Look on the menu. Bisque. In English, that translates to biscuit.
You dumbass, that's not a chicken biscuit, that's chicken bisque. It's soup.
Hey guys, I heard we were baking. Oh,
Fuck in the oven! Oh my god, man! Silly, put someone in the oven! Fuck! I don't think so. What I do? Where's the condensed milk? Forgot to buy the butter!
this is so easy. I wonder why everyone's in a rush.
We missed our flight! How are we supposed to get to Vegas now?
Leave it to me. I know a shortcut.
Magic weird things, Squidward!
What is this game, dude? Are you serious? Give me a green card! What are you doing? Holy shit! Oh, don't do it! Oh, don't do it! I don't have a green!
Take it to the cave! Release the baby!
Get Sammy, go!
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!